Chapter 3 Polynomials. Polynomials. There can be two categories of polynomials. The first category, which is one variable, and second one which has more than one variable. These are the two only possibilities. An example of the first type is 6x raised to the power 5 plus 2x raised to the power 2 minus 7x plus 9. This polynomial has only one variable, which is x. An example of second type is 5xy cube plus 17xy plus 9y square plus 9. This has two variables, x and y. Now let's learn about degree of the polynomial. In the first category, example where we have only one variable, the degree is the largest power of that variable. Here phi is the largest power, therefore degree of this polynomial is 5. Now let's take one more example of this category. 21x plus 6x cube plus 7 plus x square. Here largest power of x is 3. Therefore, degree of this polynomial is also 3. Now let's learn about second category for polynomial with more than one variable. For each term, we add power of each variable in it. Let's consider example. In this polynomial, first term is 5xy cube. We have to add the power of each variable in it. Power of x is 1 and y is 3. So for first term, we consider power 1 plus 3, which is equals to 4. In the second term, power of x and y is 1. So adding, we get power of second term as 2. In the third term, power of y is 2. And in the last term, there is no variable. So largest power of all the terms is 4. Therefore, degree of this polynomial is 4. Let's consider one more example. 7xz plus 10 plus 3z cube y plus 19y raised to the power 4. Here, sum of parts of first term is 2. Second term has no variable. In the third term, it's 3 plus 1, which is equals to 4. And in the last term, it's 4. Here 4 is the largest power. So degree of this polynomial is 4. Types of polynomial based on degree. Polynomial in one variable. First category is 3x minus 1, 7y, degree 1. Linear polynomial. Standard form ax plus b. Here a and b are coefficient and a is not equals to 0. Next, 2y square plus y plus 1 minus 3x square. Degree 2. Quadratic polynomial. Standard form ax square plus bx plus c. Here a, b, c are coefficient and a is not equals to 0. Third type, x cube plus x square plus 2x plus root 3, m minus m cube, degree 3, cubic polynomial. Standard form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here a, b, c, d are coefficient and a is not equals to 0. Polynomial in the form an x raised to the power n plus an minus 1 x raised to the power n minus 1 up to a2 x square plus a1 x plus a0 is a polynomial in x with degree n. Here an minus 1 up to a2 a1 a0 are the coefficient and an is not equals to 0. Standard form, coefficient form and index form of a polynomial. Px is equals to x minus 3x square plus 5 plus x raised to the power 4 is a polynomial in x, which can be written in descending parts of its variable as x raised to the power 4 minus 3x square plus x plus 5. This is standard form of the polynomial. But in this polynomial, there is no term having power 3 of the variable. We can write it as 0x cube. It can be added to the polynomial and it can be rewritten as x raised to the power 4 plus 0x raised to the power 3 minus 3x square plus x plus 5. This is called index form. One can write the coefficient of the variables by considering all the missing terms in the standard form of the polynomial. For example, x raised to the power 3 minus 3x raised to the power 2 plus 0x minus 8 can be written as within bracket 1 comma minus 3 comma 0 comma minus 8. This form of the polynomial is called coefficient form. Polynomial within bracket 4 comma 0 comma minus 5 comma 0 comma 1 can be written by using variable y as 4 y raised to the power 4 plus 0 y raised to the power 3 minus 5 y raised to the power 2 plus 0 y plus 1. This form is called the index form of the polynomial. Pm is equals to 3m raised to the power 5 minus 7m plus 5m raised to the power 3 plus 2. Write the polynomial in the standard form. So it will be 3m raised to the power 5 plus 5m raised to the power 3 minus 7m plus 2. Write it in the index form by considering all the missing terms with coefficient 0. So it will be 3m raised to the power 5 plus 0m raised to the power 4 plus 5m raised to the power 3 plus 0m raised to the power 2 minus 7m plus 2. Write it in a coefficient form. So it will be 3, 0, 5, 0, minus 7, 2. Degree of the polynomial, here highest power is 5. So it is 5. Let's consider example. Write the polynomial in the coefficient form. So we can write it in the index form as x raised to the power 3 plus 0x raised to the power 2 plus 3x minus 5. The given polynomial in coefficient form is 1, 0, 3, minus 5. One more example. Is the coefficient form of the polynomial is given, represent it in the index form. So it will be, the coefficient form of the polynomial is 2, minus 1, 0, 5, 6. And therefore, the index form of polynomial is 2x raised to the power 4 minus x raised to the power 3 plus 0x raised to the power 2 plus 5x plus 6. That is 2x raised to the power 4 minus x raised to the power 3 plus 5x plus 6. Let's recall. 1. Coefficients are added or subtracted while adding or subtracting like algebraic terms. Like 5m cube minus 7m cube will be equals to 5 minus 7 m cube, which is equals to minus 2 m cube. 2. While multiplying or dividing two algebraic terms, we multiply or divide their coefficients. we also use laws of indices. Example, minus 4 y raised to the power 3 multiplied by 2 y raised to the power 2 z is equals to minus 8 y raised to the power 5 and z. 12a square b divided by 3ab square will be equals to 4a upon b. Operation on polynomial. The methods of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of polynomial is similar to the operation of algebraic expressions. Let's consider example. Multiply minus 2a multiplied by 5a square. Solution, minus 2a multiplied by 5a square is equals to minus 10a cube. Let's take another example. Multiply m square minus 5 by m cube plus 2m minus 2. So here, first we will multiply each term of first bracket with the second bracket. So it will be m square multiplied by m cube plus 2m minus 2 minus 5 multiplied by m cube plus 2m minus 2. So it will be equals to m raised to the power 5 plus 2m cube minus 2m square minus 5m cube minus 10m plus 10. Each term of second polynomial is multiplied by each term of the first polynomial. M raised to the power 5 plus 2m cube minus 5m cube minus 2m square minus 10m plus 10. Like terms are taken together. M raised to the power 5 minus 3m cube minus 2m square minus 10m plus 10. Here the degree of product is 5. Add 3m square n plus 5mn square minus 7mn and 2m square n minus mn square plus mn. Solution, 3m square n plus 5mn square minus 7mn within bracket plus 2m square n minus mn square plus mn. So next step, we'll remove the brackets. It will be 3m square n plus 5mn square minus 7mn plus 2m square n minus mn square plus mn. Now 3m square n plus 2m square n plus 5mn square minus mn square minus 7mn plus mn. Here like terms are taken together. So it will be 5m square n plus 4mn square minus 6mn. Like terms are added. Degree of one polynomial is 3 and degree of the other polynomial is 5. Then what is the degree of their product? If the degree of one polynomial is 3 and the degree of other polynomial is 5, then degree of their product will be 8. What is the relation between the degree of multiplicand and the degree of multiplier with degree of their product? The degree of product of multiplicand and multiplier is the sum of the degrees of multiplicand and multiplier. Example, divide 2 plus 2x square plus and x plus 2 and write the answer in the given form. That is, dividend is equals to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Solution, let us write the polynomial in standard form first. So it will be p of x is equals to 2 plus 2x square. Therefore 2 plus 2x square is equals to 2x square plus 0x plus 2. Now if we will divide, then we can write it as dividend is equals to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. It will be 2 plus 2x square is equals to x plus 2 multiplied by 2x minus 4 plus 10. Here q of x, that is divisor, is equals to x plus 2. S of x, that is quotient, is equals to 2x minus 4. And r of x, that is remainder, is equals to 10. Therefore p of x is equals to q of x multiply s of x plus r of x.